The Asscher cut diamond is a vintage-inspired shape that features a square cut with deeply cut step-like facets, creating a stunning symmetrical appearance. Known for its clean lines and elegant geometric shape, the Asscher cut has a distinct Art Deco feel, making it a popular choice for those seeking a timeless yet bold diamond. Its large open table and unique facets allow light to reflect in a mesmerizing way, creating an elegant, soft sparkle. What makes the Asscher cut truly unique is its resemblance to the emerald cut, but with a more square shape and a higher crown, enhancing its brilliance. The step facets and clean lines emphasize clarity and depth, making it ideal for diamonds with excellent clarity. The Asscher cut's vintage charm is complemented by a modern, sophisticated appeal, offering a refined alternative to more traditional cuts. The Asscher cut diamond is perfect for those who appreciate classic style with a contemporary twist. It works beautifully in engagement rings, earrings, and pendants, offering a striking, unique look that stands out for its sophistication and exceptional light performance. If you want to learn gems and jewelry export-import business from India, join online master course. Visit amitmulani.com.